Hope all of you are doing great today. And then now I have managed this website like this. Okay, you can see here it maps also forex ETF bond. Okay, all the it maps can also be seen here. Chart also you can see here. Calendar also. Now, when we choose the market, now we have to arrange this weather. I think arranging the weather below calendar. Okay, I'll arrange it first. Okay. Then we'll discuss today about the Kotlin programming language. Okay, this programming language is mainly used for web development. Okay, uh, now where is that? Here, I have here that Kotlin. Okay, let's say I think I have already added here also. Here you can find Kotlin. Then when you find Kotlin, then you can see the various code and related to that Kotlin also. Let's see. Now, okay, let's see Kotlin programming language details. Okay, it could not arrange this also range. So I have to modify this one. Okay, so just entering press enter to this. Okay, discuss about the Kotlin programming language. Now we'll discuss about Kotlin was developed by the JetBrain. Okay, I think I have heard about that JetBrain also. Let's search about JetBrain. Okay, it is a software company. Okay, let's see. PyCharm, Intelligence ID, also developer tools. Now we have to accept all the cookies also. Now trusted by more than 11.4 million. Okay, let's see. IDE for Kotlin Java, IDE for JavaScript, IDE for Net and Dev, PHP Storm, Resharp also. Developer tools. Where it, I think we have to read more about this company. Now, JetBrain is a Czech Republican software development private limited company which makes the software tool for project manager in Asia, Europe. Then headquarters is in Prague. It has office in China, Europe, and United States. Company offer integrated environment IDE for variety of programming language. Now here you can see operating income also krona and krona. Number of employee 2,200. Then revenue also headquarters is in Amsterdam. Okay, founded on 2000. Android Studio made with cooperation of Google and Android App Code, Aqua, Sealand, Data Split, Fleet, Intelligence IDs, PHP Storm, PyCharm also, Rider, RubyMine, Web Store, Writer Code also. Kotlin is an open source, statically typed programming language that run on the Java virtual machine JVM. Kotlin Island, it names from in the St. Petersburg. Okay, now let's see about this. Okay. JetBrain and the man behind is Henry Breslov, who is often referred as the father of the Kotlin. Now, main aim, the primary goal of Kotlin was to create a modern, concise, and the safe programming language that could address the shortcoming of the Java while maintaining the full incorporability with its JetBrain wanted a language that will reduce the boilerplate code, provide a better null safety, be fully compatible with Java, and allow the seamless migration of offer modern features like functional programming support, improve the developer productivity. Now, Kotlin, how it was created. Kotlin was first introduced in 2011 as a project by the JetBrains. The language was designed to be pragmatic and practical, focusing on solving the real world problems faced by the developer. After development and refining, Kotlin reached its stable version 1.0 in February 16. In 2017, Google announced its official support for Kotlin as a first-class language for Android development, which significantly boosted its popularity. Now, here are a Kotlin syntax. So I have made at least 20. Okay. Hello old program function main print in hello old variable declaration var immutable value 10 also var immutable value 20. Now null safety var null string also string null print null is nullable string. String interpolation var name also print I and hellos also. Function add int b return a plus b single expression function form multiplier int a b when expression font describe when object one a yellow greeting else unknown also loops for I 1.5 print in I also range val range 1 to 0 10 also print in 5 in range collection val list of 1 2 3 4 print list dot filter it percentage 2 equals to 0 slash 2 comma 4 lambda expression val sum a int b int minus a plus b print in sum 3 4 7 also now extension function also found string is palindrome boolean function this is a reverse print in madam is palindrome true now, data class user val name string val name of val user Alice 25 print user also now shield class result data class success val data string result data class error val message string result. Now code routines also import Kotlin coroutine function main run blocking launch delay 1000 L print old print in yellow default argument function greet name string guest print in yellow dollar name greet yellow guest named argument function print details name string age int print in dollar name age years old now print detail age 25 name Alice. Now, type checking and casting font check type object ad if object is string print in it is a string dollar object length also lvis operator val malleable string also null val length nullable string length 0 print 0 also object declaration kotlin object singleton font scarlet hello print hello from skeleton singleton say hello also now main application developed by using the kotlin also. Kotlin Android app now Kotlin is widely used for Android app development due to its concise syntax and flexibility with Java. Popular apps like Trello, Evernote, and Pinterest have adopted Kotlin. Now, web development on Kotlin can be used in the framework like Kotlin, Spring Boot to build the server-side application, desktop application. Uh, Kotlin support the desktop application development using library like Tornado FX for Java FX now data science library like Kotlin DL enable machine learning to deep learning tasks. Game development Kotlin can be used with the game engine like libgdx also now popular company using Kotlin. Google officially support Kotlin for Android development. Use Kotlin for backend service. Netflix Uber leverage the Kotlin for its Android app and backend system. Also, Pinterest rewrote the part of its Android app in Kotlin. Trello adopted Kotlin for its Android app also. Square uses the Kotlin for payment processing and other service. Amazon uses Kotlin for various internal tool and service. Twitter employ Kotlin for Android clients. Slack use Kotlin for Android app. Coursera rewrote the part of Android app using Kotlin also. Now Kotlin philosophy and design principle. Pragmatism Kotlin focus on solving the real world problem faced by developers, especially those who are working with Java also in interoperability. Kotlin is fully compatible with this also conciseness tool support also advanced feature Kotlin for asynchronous programming. Kotlin introduced. Now Now function main print in old load also simplify the asynchronous programming, reduce the callback L, improve the performance by avoiding the thread blocking. Now delegation Kotlin support the delegation, allowing you to delegate the implementation of an interface or the property to the another object. This is a particularly useful for implementing designer pattern like decorator pattern, interface base, font print class base imp also override font print class, derived base function main val base imp also derived b print. Kotlin allow you to define inline function which can reduce the overhead. Inline function operation block print in before block print in after block function main operation print inside block. Benefit reduce the runtime overhead, useful for higher order function also. Now refine type parameter inline font refined I type object also function main print is type string hello true also print is type string hello false. Now the sealed class for state management also. Now sealed class are used to represent the restricted class hierarchy which can value can have more of these types and have the limited seed. They can often used in the state management, especially in Android app development with the library like Redux. Then MBL view intent also. Now companion object Kotlin does not have static members like Java, but it provides the companion object to achieve the similar functionality. Also, my class companion object functions static method print in. This is the static method function main my class. Now, destructing the declaration Kotlin allow you to destruct the object into the multiple variable, which particularly useful when working with the data classes or the maps data classes. Personal val name string val name age in function main val personal age is 25 val name age person print in dollar name year also. Now operator overloading data class point view operator font plus other point return point x main also val p1.1.2 val p2.34 val p3 p1 plus p2 print L p3 also smart cast Kotlin automatically cast types after the check, also implementing the need for explicit casting get function get string object any int. If object is string return object length also. Now return all. Now extension property val string last char get this is the length equals to function main print in Kotlin last char also. Now Kotlin multi-platform is most exciting feature of the Kotlin. Now it allow you to share the code between the different platform like Android, iOS, web, and the desktop. This is achieved by compiling the Kotlin code into the platform specific binary. Kotlin native compile the Kotlin code up to the native binary for the platform like iOS, Mac OS, and Linux. Kotlin JS compile the Kotlin code to the JavaScript enabling web development. Now Kotlin JVM compile the Kotlin code to Java virtual machine bytecode, allowing it to run on the Java virtual machine. Use cases sharing business logic between Android and iOS app, building a cross-platform mobile application, creating a web application with shared backend and the front-end logic. Now Kotlin for the backend development. Kotlin is increasingly being used for the backend development. Thanks for the framework like Kotlin and the Spring Boot. Also, Kotlin is a lightweight framework for building a heterogeneous server for the client in the Kotlin. It is highly flexible, allow you to build the REST API, WebSocket server, and the more. Also, import code application code feature also. Code HTTP code response, code routing, serialization, JSON, code server engine, code server need also data class user also. Now function main embed server need also install content and negotiation java routine routing get call response user start with also. Now Spring Bot also. Kotlin works seamlessly with the Spring Bot, allowing you to build a robust backend service with the minimal bipolar code also. Import organization is Spring Framework import org. Now Spring Bot application class Kotlin app also REST code controller get mapping font get user map string also return map of name alice age 25 function main args also. Now Kotlin in data science and machine learning. Kotlin DL a high level deep learning library inspired by the keras. Kotlin for the TensorFlow allow you to use the TensorFlow model in Kotlin application. Import org jetbrain.kotlin's API code sequential. Import org jetbrain.kotlin DL code layer for code dense, also code brain jetbrain Kotlin function main val model sequential of dense 1 to 8 activation dense 10 also model use it. Compile the optimizer Adam loss softmax cross interpolate with light fit limit also. Kotlin in the game development, Kotlin can be used for the game development, especially with the lib GDX framework, which is popular in the open source game development framework. Input.com class my game also Latin var batch spring batch also override font create batch imp texture override font render also GDX batch begin batch end also conclusion. Kotlin is a versatile multi-programming language that has again widespread adaptation across the various domain, including Android development, backend services, web development, and back development and quality. Java is an attractive choice for developer looking to improve the productivity. Now, with the backing major company like Google, Netflix, Uber, and Pinterest, Kotlin continue to grow in popularity. Whether you are building a simple Android app or a multi-platform application, Kotlin offer the tools and flexibility needed to succeed in today's fast-paced development activities. Okay. Now, this much for today. Hope all of you have understood something new about Kotlin. And I'm also a learner and I'm teaching about this for my own knowledge also. So please don't mind. Okay. I have given my best for you and hope on the further days I'll expand my website and I'll expand my the knowledge this video quality also. So I'll some people, some employee at least, I think on future, this website and this platform will hire at least 100 people will be work under this platform in future if it expanded. If it couldn't expand it, then it may be collapsed also. So there is the barrier between the success and failure for this platform. Okay, now this much for today. Okay, have a great day.